Hi guys. Hi. What is that? Well, this is my new combo which I will be updating today on my page. This is the unicorn briefcase combo. Let me wait for another 2 or 3 minutes and then I will start with this combo. Hi Creative Flair 3. Hello. Hi. Yes, sure. I will check the DM once I will be done with this video. Hello, capturing moments. Thank you, the Art Hub. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let's get started. So this is the new combo, guys, which I have come up with today with this unicorn briefcase combo. So this is the unicorn embossed briefcase. Let me show you the back side also. So this is how it looks. So before starting this video, guys, I would just like to give you a little bit of introduction about myself. My name is Neha, and we deal in kids stationery items, basically fancy items. It's related to the cartoon characters, specific cartoon characters like Peppa Pig. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I think someone is on the door. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay, so yeah, I was giving the introduction about myself. So yes, we deal in basically kids fancy items, character specific, like unicorns, Peppa Pig, Hello Kitty, and everything like that. So let's get started now. Hello Divya. Okay. So I have tried my best, guys, to keep almost everything in this combo, which every kid or maybe every parent would like to keep on their kids' study table, so that they have everything right in front of them available. So yeah, let's get started. Let me open this now. So you get 20 items, I believe, in this combo. I will show you what all you get. Thank you, Divya. Okay, so this is how it looks from inside. It is divided into two parts. One is this left side, which is the open net, which has the open net, and the other one is this right side with the zipper net. Okay, so let's start with the left side first. So on the left side, the very first thing which you get with this combo is this beautiful unicorn glitter diary. It has the unicorn squishy on it. Yeah. So this is the A6 size ruled diary, glitter diary with unicorn squishy on top. And then the next thing which we have is this unicorn glitter gel mirror. This is the back side and this is the front side. Let me open this also. Yeah, so in this mirror, one side you have a magnifying type of glass and then the other side is the normal one. So you get this mirror. And then we have this pom-pom unicorn keychain. It has the hook, so you can hang it on your maybe the bag or maybe the stationery pouch, anything you like. So this is a unicorn pom-pom keychain. And then we have this small pocket diary. This is the ruled pocket diary. It's blue in color and again a unicorn theme. So guys, this is the assorted combo. We always try to match with the colors, but however if the colors are not available, then at least we try to give you assorted colors and the items will remain the same. So yeah, this is the diary. And then you get this paper soap. It's in the cherry fruit fragrance. So this is the paper soap. Nowadays this is very important, so I have kept this also in this combo. And then let's move to the right side now. So on the right side you get this metal unicorn pencil box. Let me open this for you and I will show you what all you get inside this. So the first thing which you get inside this is this set of 6 crayons colors, unicorn crayons colors. There are 6 colors inside. Then you get this unicorn eraser. You get one more simple eraser with a unicorn printed cover on it. You get this sharpener. You get 2 normal pencils which you can sharp and use. And then we have this scale, unicorn printed scale. Yeah, so these are the items which you get in this pencil box. Then we have this unicorn topped glitter gel pen. It's blue in color. As you can see, there is a glitter inside, glitter gel. So kids really like this pen. Then we have this bullet pencil with a unicorn on top. So it has, I believe it has 10 bullets inside. Once you are done with the top one, you can just pull it out and you can put it back here, and then you have the other lead which you can use. So it has, I believe, 10 bullets inside this. And then this best seller of Verma's Art Gallery, I would like to tag this pen as a best seller because my experience with this pen is very nice. Kids like it so much. So yeah, this is the cap of the pen and this is the pen inside, and it has the glitter water at the back. Now this is a gel pen. And then we have this sequence pen. It's 6-in-1 pen. Beautiful sequence on it, blue in color. Then we have this small cute calendar table notepad, so you can keep it on the study table and you can write everyday to-do list so that you don't miss on anything. So you just have to fold it from here and you can keep it on the study table like this. So this is really cute, I really like this. Then you get this unicorn sticky notes with a 1 unicorn shaped big sticky, and then we have 5 page markers. And the last thing which you get is this unicorn scissors with a safety cap on it. So yeah, this is the last thing which you get. Now let me show you the briefcase once again. So this is the back side, and then this is the front side. Now let me count the items which you get with this combo, and then we will be done. So the first one is this briefcase, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 the scissor, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th is the scale inside this, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 items in this combo. I hope guys you really like this video. Please follow, please keep supporting and loving us for more unicorn awesomeness, and I will see you back again with the amazing combo. So please stay tuned and please DM to order this beautiful combo. Alright guys, bye. We'll see you back again with an amazing combo. Till then, have a nice day and bye.